In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Dell monitor zoomed in. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your desktop. Now, if you cannot do this, just simply try to restart your computer or head over to the corner button right here and it will take us to the desktop of our Windows. In here, right click on it, click on the display settings. Of course, you can also navigate through this setting by heading over to the settings of Windows itself. In here, click system and then click display. But once inside this page, just scroll down and you've probably turned this setting on. This is going to be the scale and layout option. Now you want to select 100%. Because if we select something like 150, it will then zoom in the entire desktop right here. So you want to go ahead and make sure that this is set to 100%. You can also make sure that your display resolution is on the right pixel. So in my case, I'm using a 1080p monitor right here. So I'll select the 1920 by 1080p. You mostly want to select the recommended settings because it will work best for your computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.